Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm Johnny from Johnny's Garage and this is my Austin 7 from 1932 and there is snow outside. I thought it's a great idea to take this little car for a little spin. Now I can show you why it's good to have a little crank handle on the car. Because last time I drove, the battery didn't get charged well because I drove at night with a lot of lights on, and that's how the starter sounds. Not that much, but let's leave the ignition on, do some gas. Ignition is retarded, and I take my little towel because I did it before, and otherwise it's better like that. So that's why it's good to have a brake handle on these old cars, because sometimes the battery just dies. But the battery is new, so it's not the battery, just the poor charging. But now it's running, I'll let it warm up a little bit, and then we will try to manage up this little hill, which is quite slippery, but I'm sure the car will handle it. So as you can see, the car managed it just fine, but as you can also see on the tracks, that the left is always spinning because all the weight when I'm just sitting by myself is on the right side, so that's a bit annoying. That's why I always thought a limited slip differential would be nice on this car, but I don't think anyone is producing something like that for this Austin 7. So guys, that's it. I think the car is still doing fine. Big shout out to my sister because she stood out in the freezing cold and the snow turned into rain and it's very shitty weather. I hope the car is doing good, but I think so. because the Planai Classic is next weekend and next week, so. But the car can't handle that. It also can't handle the Planai Classic. I'm so happy to have sisters who are supporting me with that stuff, because her hands are so freezing cold. I mean, mine as well, but I also want to do this shit. So, yeah, thank you. I need my glasses. I didn't find any other glasses, so I had to take these. So I didn't do it on purpose, but I mean they do their job, so I mean why not? Oh, it's so cold, and it's the worst weather ever. I really prefer the summertime. The winter is really not my thing. But I mean, for drifting in the Austin 7, it's great because I don't have enough power to drift in the summertime. So I need snow or a lot of rain. Oh, come on. What are you waiting for? So many people are driving like a 5-year-old when it's starting to snow. I don't get it. Just drive careful, but you don't have to crawl, you know, it's okay. So another very good thing about the car is when your hands are freezing, you can always touch the exhaust and they get warm real quick. So it's always great. So let's check out the car. Snow everywhere. It will be so dirty, but that's okay. I like it. Let's look inside the engine bay to see if the engine is leaking a lot of oil or something. I don't know. You know, sometimes stuff breaks. Hopefully not. You can't probably see that much, but I can. And it looks okay. It looks perfect. Okay. Whew. That's it. I think the engine temperature is perfect, so I will shut it off. It was just a quick video to share the passion and share the fun on the snow. The whole car is super oily and protected against the salt from underneath, so I am not really afraid of any rust or anything. Comment down below what you would like to see with the Austin 7 next. I hope you liked the video, and as always, keep driving and follow for more.